So here I've got a couple of Trex boards. One thing to note about these is there's two different profiles that we're looking at. This is a scallop profile, which you're going to see in more of the entry-level planks. Manufacturers are doing this to pull material out of the plank. They're not compromising the integrity or strength of the plank, but they're just trying to hit a slightly lower price point and give more market access for this style of plank. Over here is your traditional full bottom plank. And in the Trex line, regardless of plank profile, you can see that the embossing, the texture of these planks are virtually identical. In addition to that, the color variation that you're seeing, the variance in color is fairly subtle. The embossing on a typical Trex plank is going to repeat roughly every 39 inches. So it's a very consistent look across the entire length of the plank. And at the same time, you're getting a fairly subtle color variation throughout the plank as well. So you're not going to have one end of the plank looking one color and the other a completely different color. There are manufacturers that that's kind of a hallmark of theirs. But for Trex, you're going to see a lot more consistency in color and texture. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you found it useful, please click like and subscribe.